Hello friends, my video is about home automation technology. In the world of automation, we like to say that the purpose of automation is to get all of your devices talking to each other. What a novel idea. On the surface, that's exactly what happens. However, the technology that allows this magic to happen is obviously a bit more in-depth than that. Here is a brief list of terms and definitions that may help you, speak geek, as you start to learn more about automation technology. The people at Wallee have a better idea. And this time, it looks as graceful as the iPad itself. It's stylish, seamless, and just very tidy. It's, of course, the Wallee I am talking about. It's a plastic case that uses attachment points that you can put up pretty much wherever you want. When you want to wall mount your iPad, you just stick it to your attachment points, and you're all set to go. The Wallee comes in several colors as well, so you don't have to worry about having white dot attachment points all around your apartment. Just pick the colors that are a fit for the colors in your home, and you're all set to go. Mounting is pretty easy. All you need are your own tools and a few screws, and you should easily be able to put up the attachment points. The Wallee costs only $49.95 and is by far the best looking wall mount I have seen to date. Brilliant. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and share.